Join me today for a slow day in Montreal. A little bit of gardening, birthday footage, and viewing Montreal City from Montreal. After which, it is time for my new chapter, moving from Montreal and moving to Ontario.
I see you rising through the rain, and I'm rising too. We're on our way. Started small, that's how it goes. Planted seeds that slowly rose. People said just stay down low, but something in me wouldn't go. Every step I kept my pace.
Hands up if it's
even
your
when
birthday.
I lost my place.
Hands up if it's
Now
your
I'm moving,
birthday.
can't erase all the fire in this space. And when you move, I feel it too.
This is the view of Montreal from Montreal. There seems to be fire somewhere here. Watch it, I went to Nova. I'm in technique. Today is the day that I moved to Ontario.
Before all these bags came in, I would stay up all night praying, hoping I can help my people. Now that I do, everything changed.
Tell me it's autumn without telling me it's autumn. Green and orange. It's so nice. Such a nice view. Such a nice weather. And then you have bugs. This is Mattawa. Welcome to Mattawa. Weird name. I'm just at the gas station. Almost at Sudbury. Nice blue skies today. The drive from Montreal to Sudbury, Ontario is a 6-hour drive. And as you head further up in Ontario, it's further north of Ontario. So as soon as you start entering north of Ontario, that is where I live. And then you keep going north and you have a lot more cities. You have Timmins, Ontario, Thunder Bay, Ontario, and multiple different cities where you can move to. This is North Bay, Ontario.
Whole things, I done seen them whole things. Living life lavish, yeah. Different car, same country, different week. I'm in the top floor, chilling in the suite. Big cigars, breaking down the Swisher Sweets.
Their style looks small. You see? And new, like they never have that style before. 2 hours later, welcome to Sudbury, Ontario. The place are urban. Well, no bush where did I go? A very big place there. Look here, big hotel. Look at North Bay, a very small place. None of this not there. Nice. How much in there in one place?
Oh man,
Wow.
worst I have to travel. Back and forth, back and forth.
Every step I kept my pace, even when I lost my place. Now I'm moving, can't erase all the fire in this space. And when you move, I feel it too. The way you prove
Starbucks.
what we can do. Rise with me, watch us soar, breaking through every door. Take my hand, feel the heat, making moves, can't retreat. Watch us rise, watch us fly, breaking through.
I've been here for 2 days now. I'm decided to go and hike up this mountain.
To the sky. Remember nights I couldn't sleep, thinking about the mountain steep. But your climb inspired mine. Now we're leaving doubt behind. Every win you celebrate makes my spirit elevate. When you shine your brightest light, makes me wanna burn so bright. Higher, higher, can't stop now. Stronger, bolder, show them how. Each step forward leads the way. What we're building starts today. Rise with me, watch us soar.
This was my first apartment viewing. This apartment is very nice. The cost of the apartment is 1,500 plus utilities, including heat. So I would have to pay for heat, electricity, and water separately from the 1,500. Where does this door lead to?
It's for the basement. You don't have
Oh.
access to it.
Okay.
Okay, so there's no laundry in this unit, in this building.
Okay, so laundromat it is. Okay. And it's a 2-bedroom apartment. Here, Biggie. You have storage. Brother. We have a winner. I had to come and check out the Jamaican restaurant. There are a couple restaurants here. I think in total there are 4 restaurants, if I'm not mistaken, 4 Jamaican restaurants here. I'm going to check out the lake. This is the biggest lake in the city. It's called Ramsey Lake. This is a weird timing to start this video. This is such a hectic time right now. My main goal was to move out of Quebec in general, and I'll give you the whole story at a different time. So this location where I'm at, it is a location that has a lot of mountains, a lot of lakes, and a lot of nature in general. Like you can see the lake behind me. I moved there 7 days ago already, and I've seen a lot since I've been here. I finally got an apartment, and it took me 7 days to find an apartment, and that is usually how I find apartments. I usually move to the location and then look for apartments there. I'm at Canadian Tire. It's kind of funny because the errand I'm running here is jumpstart machine. So you have like this jumpstart machine where, alright, regularly what you would do is you would need to like flag down people to ask them to jump start your vehicle. But this is a machine where you can use the machine to jump start your vehicle without having to ask somebody or flag down anybody. And I think it's a good investment. So you can definitely check it out. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was like $70. And I really think it is worth the money. I'm up on a hill. I just climbed up here, and then I have this much to go up here. It's pretty steep, I don't know if it's showing on camera that this is really steep, but I'm almost there.